on point is one of the biggest rites of passage young classical dancers face, and it can be the most exciting time. However, if done incorrectly, it can often open a Pandora's box of a lot of unnecessary pain and injury that may then plague that dancer further on in their career. This Pointe Intensive course is designed to give you all the tools to help young dancers navigate this transition safely, whether or not you had much experience of dancing on pointe yourself. The program is split into 3 main phases. First, we're going to look at pre-pointe training and what needs to be included to empower that dancer to perfect their technique before they go into the formal assessment. Then we look at the formal pre-pointe assessment, which is a great way to look at the anatomical differences between dancers and to pick up the things that are really hard to see in their classwork that can make a huge difference to their success on pointe. We then look into the beginner pointe work of how to safely transition them into their first pair of shoes. This course dovetails perfectly in with the My Beginner Pointe program, which then looks at continued classwork as they move back into the studio. I really look forward to working with you on developing a pointe program within your studio that helps your dancers transition through this very exciting time in the safest way possible.